bullish Algorand Algo cost forecast range somewhere in the range of $21.28 and $1.70 by 2030. Market investigators accept Algo could reach $0.708 and $77 by 2025. Negative Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.160 and $201. Algorand Algo presentation. The Algorand Algo cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its beginning in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's cryptographic money foundation, the cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. In spite of the fact that it has consequently lost most of these additions, experts and sites that figure costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin then? How about we analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement? What is Algorand Algo? The Algorand blockchain, which intends to answer the oddity of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local cache. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement procedure called unadulterated verification of stake. How much Algo a client wages influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval board are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Micali of the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation (METINES), and its blockchain and nearby cache appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost immediately fell a day after presentation. Make a record at pricepredictions.com for cutting-edge exchanging signals, industry-driving cost expectations, purchase SL proposals from there. The sky is the limit. Algorand Algo principal examination. In June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering with a $0.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of $19 on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic inventory that would be conveyed progressively. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public closeout throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. In spite of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the huge measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more expected figure, the breakdown of the value of Algo's cash, was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo through confidential situation adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of $0.05 and $0.50. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $0.16, permitting individual financial backers to make huge increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fangfang addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early benefactors had presented the drive to extreme dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand Algo specialized examination. In the wake of being added to Coinbase, the cost of Algo's cash expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as per Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about $30. Throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange, Algo attempted to get past the $0.50 limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year, the token supported this development, in the end hitting a long-term high of $0.71. Like the previous cost fall of Algo, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the consistent quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin backers since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamatch worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a huge number of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. El Salvador, in August 2021, proclaimed that Algorand will act as the establishment for its cryptographic money framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $112. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an unsurpassed post-send-off high of $2.38. The cash finished at $1.63 in spite of Algorand having quite recently delivered an overhaul that improved savvy decreases by empowering them to be written in famous programming dialects like Python and Reach. Since LimeWire, a record-sharing programming, picked Algorand to run its NFT commercial center, Algo has encountered some rebound. In the wake of arriving at a high of $0.97, the token held at $30. At the point when FIFA declared its collaboration with Algorand, it showed that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May, a vast implosion saw Algo exchanging at $36 lows Algorand Algo current cost. Using the overall strength of record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity MACD from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand Algo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Algorand Algo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Algo. The Algo cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $376. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $351 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $40 at 301. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $560.27. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Algo's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $708.77 and Algo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $648.802 and a low of $16752 in 2025. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Algorand effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Algo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Algo will be green in 2026. The Algo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.28, with a base cost of $1,003 and a typical cost of $41,053. Algorand Algo Value Forecast 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Algo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $104 by 2027, with a base cost of $1 as anticipated before the year's end. Besides,